How to make your Facebook profile private. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. Open your Facebook app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now head towards the menu page. Scroll down. At the bottom, you'll find the option of settings and privacy. Tap on that drop down. Now head towards the option of privacy shortcuts. Tap on the option take a privacy checkup. Go to this option who can see what you share. Tap on continue. Please review this info from your profile and decide who you are comfortable with seeing it. You can change the audience for your email address, likewise date of birth and friends and following. You can head towards the section of friends and following. Who can see your friend list on your profile? You can tap on this drop down and set it to only me or friends. Likewise, head towards this option who can see the people, pages and list you follow. Tap on it and you can set it to only me or friends. And then tap on the option next. You decide who you want to see your posts and stories. Your default audience is set to friends, but you can change it if you want to do so. You can tap on this drop down and set it to only me. Control who can see your stories. You can tap on this drop down and set it. Limit past posts. Change who can see past posts that were public or friends of friends to only friends. Tap on limit. Now you can tap on the option of next. If you want to block anyone, you can just tap on this plus icon and do that from here. Now you can tap on the next that you are all set. This is how you can private your Facebook account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.